F අකුර. නෑ fan. F.
Unit 3, grade 9, right?
Yes, නෙවෙයි fan.
Equivalent fractions.
Fan එකට එන්නේ F අකුර.
More fractions equivalent to each
Oh,
of the
F.
following common fractions.
DOF.
Right, 3 more fractions. I think
Oh.
someone unmute that one. Neither.
Code එකකුත් තියෙනවා.
Wait,
RB
unmute.
B.
Right. Here write 3 more fractions equivalent to each of the following common fractions. So you know how to write the equivalent fractions. When you are writing fractions, when we are making them equivalent, what you have to do is, I am just going to remind you a little bit basic things also. You have to, this one if you multiply over the line, this is called the numerator, this is called the denominator. This is called the numerator and denominator, numerator, denominator. Now if I multiply this both numerator as well as denominator by the same number, you can get here 2/4. And if you multiply this numerator as well as denominator by 3, same number from 3, this is also by 3. Then 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3/6. If you multiply this numerator as well as denominator by 4, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Now, if you multiply this numerator as well as denominator by 5, then you can get the answer 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10. Then these fractions are called equivalent fractions. In between, you can write equivalent fractions. Right now, this thing, look at this one also same procedure you can follow. Right, you can multiply by 2 over the line, below the line, any number, even 10. I just multiply this is by 10, 10 times 2, 20, 10 times 3, 30. Then when we are doing the sums here, this knowledge is important for you to continue this, right? Then any number, if you multiply denominator as well as numerator, you have to multiply by the same number. Now I multiply this numerator as denominator by same number 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. And you can multiply this is both by the same number 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. Then we can get equivalent fractions by dividing or by multiplying denominator as well as numerator by same number. We can get the equivalent fractions. So as an example, 14/21. This is, I will just divide by 7. This one also I will divide by 7. Look at here. When dividing by the same number, dividing by 7. Over the line, 14 divided by 7, 2. Below the line, 21 divided by 7, 3. 2/3. Right? Then we can get equivalent fractions by using this 2 way. But these are not anymore divisible. Right? Then 3 not divisible by any other number, only by 3. So we can't divide and convert to equivalent fractions. We can just multiply. They are saying write 3 more fractions equivalent to each of the following common fractions. Then this one, I can write here. This is by 3. Other thing පුතේ මම හැමෝම ඇඩ් කරලා තියෙනවා classroom එකට. මම ඒකේ අර password එක අයින් කරන්න කියලා කිව්වා. හැබැයි මෙහෙමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙහෙම දෙයක් කරන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් register වෙන්න. ඒකේ අර මේ exam.lk කියලා තියෙනවා. ඒ website එකේ register වෙන්න ඔයාලට add කරන්න තියෙන ඔයාලගේ mail address එක විතරයි. හරි? ඒතර ඒකේ තව තියෙනවා ඔයාලට exam papers බලන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකේ ගොඩක් දේවල් ඔයාලට කරන්න පුළුවන්. English education එකට related ඒවා ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. puzzles තියෙනවා. එම ඒකේ papers තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේ තියෙනවා. ඒතර ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ඒකේ මේ මගේ පාඩම් ටික බලා ගන්න. පාඩම් ටික ආයෙ සැරයක් only you have to just to click the link. සමහර අය කරන්න ඇති. link එක click කරපු ගමන් ඔයාලා classroom එකට යනවා. classroom එකට ගියාට පස්සේ grade 6 to 11 you can see there. ඊට පස්සේ you are in grade 9 නේ click the 9 button. Then 9 එක button එක click කරාට පස්සේ science and maths 2 come in. Then you can click the maths. Then you can go to the maths, right? And you can do it. Then you can repeat back, right? Then it is better මම අයින් කරන්න කිව්වා මොකද password එක දාන්න ගිහලා ගොඩක් ළමයි වරද්දා ගන්නවා. ඒක නිසා ඔයාලගේ mail address එකෙන් ඔයාලට connect වෙන්න පුළුවන්. දැනට මම ඔක්කොම අයින් කරලා තියෙන එකේ. ඔයාලට කෙලින්ම යන්න පුළුවන් classroom එකට. දැන් ඔයාලා ඔයාලගේ mail address එකෙන් register වෙන්න එකේ. ඒකට ඔයාලට ඒකේ ගොඩක් ඒවා කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right, here then 3 times 3, 9 over 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16. Then here 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, like this. Then I mentioned 3 equivalent fractions for each. Then here, now we want to write equivalent fractions for this. This is by 2, this is by 2. 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20. Here, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 7, 21, 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 7, 28, 4 times 2, 8. Like this, you can write. Okay, write down this thing, equivalent fractions. Our topic is fractions, unit 3. පාඩම් දෙකක් ඉවර කරා. හැබැයි පුතේ දැන් ඔයාලට මම ටියුට් එක දානවා පළවෙනි පාඩමේ ටියුට් එක. ඒකේ තව චුට්ටි ගණන් දෙක තුනක් තියෙනවා word problems වලින්. තොර මේ Tuesday අපි කරන්නේ පළවෙනි පාඩම again divine කරනවා with a tute. පොතේ ගණන් හදලා ඉවරයිනේ. ටියුට් එකක් හරහා paper class එකක් හැටියට Tuesday අපි again doing the grade 9 first lesson by using a tute. Okay, I just put the tute to you. මම අද එක දානවා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ අද ඉඳලා ඒක හදන්න පටන් ගන්න. Tuesday වෙනකොට හදලා තියන්න. Then Tuesday we can check the answers. I think finished, right? I will go to the next page. Now this one. Convert into improper fractions. Convert into improper fractions. Write down this. Convert into improper fractions. So you know how to do it, no? 2 times 3, 6 plus 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. Right? Improper කරන්න තියෙන 3 times 4. And this denominator and this number. You have to multiply this. 2 multiply 3 times 4, 12. This 2 add. After multiply, add it. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14 over 3. Multiply. 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus this one, 21 over 4. This one, 4 times 6. 4 times 6, how much? 24. 24 plus this one, 25 over 4. Multiply these two. 12 times 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25 over 2. 16 into 3, 48. 48 plus 2, 50 over 3. Okay, I think you all can do, ne? You know how to convert to a these fractions, improper mixed fraction to improper. මේ වගේ වටපිට කියන mixed fraction. Why are you saying this is a mixed fraction? 3.5. Then you should know why we are telling a mixed fraction. This is the fractional part. This is the whole numerical part. Whole number, පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යාව, මොකද decimal එකක්වත් භාග එකක්වත් නෙමෙයි. Plus fraction. Then we are saying this is a mixed fraction. එකයි අපි මේකට mixed fraction කියන්නේ. හරි? Mixed fraction. Convert the following mixed fraction to improper fraction. Improper කියන්නේ normally proper වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Proper way of fraction is numerator is less than the denominator. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් proper හරියට තියෙන fraction එක numerator එක denominator එකට වැඩිය කුඩායි. හැබැයි මේක improper කියන්නේ numerator is greater than the denominator. That's why we are saying this is a improper fraction. Right? Salma, can you understand it?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Okay, may doubts ටික ඔක්කොම clear කරගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. We have a big word problems to solve in this lesson. Right? Then write down this. Right, now I will clear this now.
Teacher,
Yes, Pute.
are those videos related to the number patterns paper in the website?
Which video?
You have put that 3 videos.
Grade 9 class ද?
Yes, teacher.
ඔව් පුතේ. Grade 9 class අපි කලින් කරපු පාඩම් ටික. මම හිතන්නේ number pattern එක තියෙනවද දන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද ගොඩක් ඒවා delete වෙනවා. 1 week විතර වගේ තමයි තියෙන්නේ classroom එකේ. අපිට අර ගොඩක් load කරලා තියන්න අමාරුයිනේ. අපි මම හිතන්නේ videos 3ක් තියෙනවා. class 3ක වෙන්නේ නැති. සමහර වෙලාවට පුතේ අපි අර පැය පැය කඩලා කරනවානේ class එක. 2 hours load එක වැඩි වෙනවා.
Edited.
Huh?
The videos you had edited.
Videos?
You have edited.
No, I didn't edit it. I don't have time to edit. Without edited, I have put it to the classroom. But we are talking also there. Huh?
But there were 3 videos, teacher.
බලන්නක පුතේ පැය පැය තිබුණේවා මං හිතන්නේ එහෙම ඇති. මොකද මං කට් කරානේ ක්ලාස් එක පැයකින්. ඒකල ආයෙ පටන් ගත්තනේ බ්‍රේක් එකකින්. ඒතකොට එතන වීඩියෝස් දෙකක් ඇති. 1 hour 1 hour. එහෙම ඇත්තේ. මං හිතන්නේ නම්බර් පැටර්න් එකේ වනම් නැතු ඇති. සමහර විට දැන් ඊට පස්සේ දිගටම එකතු වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒකේ වීඩියෝස් ටික. මේක ටිකක් හැදුවා මොකද ලේසි නෑ ඉතින්. හරි අමාරුයි හදන්න. ඔය software පැත්ත හරි අමාරුයි. මේ සාමාන්‍ය my brother සෑහෙන්ට මහන්සි වෙලා එයා ඔෆිස් උත් යනෝනේ බැංක් එකේනේ වැඩ කරන්නේ. ඇවිල්ලා සෑහෙන්ට try කරලා තමයි ඔක හදවුවේ. මේ හදලා ඔකේ දාලා තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඒකේ පොඩි දැන් නම් problems නෑ ඔක්කොම solve. මේ ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න එකේ මේ දැන් අද ඉඳලා එන වීඩියෝස් ටික ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා ඒගොල්ලොන්ට. කලින් මුල ඒව අපිට තිබුණ නැහැ. මම මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ මෙත සොලියුෂන් එකක් හැටියට හොයාගත්තේ ගොඩාක් ළමයි පව් අර data ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා, connection problems තියෙනවා. ප්‍රශ්නත් එක තමයි ඒවට සොලියුෂන් එකක් හැටියට තමයි මම මේක හැදුවේ. ඉතින් මේ ඔයාලට තියෙන අර මොනවා හරි signal ප්‍රශ්න එකක් හරි නම් disconnect වුණා නම් එහෙම you can just go to this and you can study it again and again. Hari, here this one convert into mixed numbers. Convert into mixed numbers. 5 divide by 2. 5 divide by 2. Mixed number ne. So look at 5. How many 2s are there? 2. 2 times 2, 4. Subtract 1. This is the remainder. This is the answer. So when you are writing it as a mixed number, write the answer middle. This is the remainder. Remainder top. This is the dividend. Dividend at the bottom. Right? Now go to this one. 17 divide by 2. 17, how many 2s are there? 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16, 17 subtract 16, 1 remainder. Then answer at the middle here. Then remainder top, dividend at the bottom, 8.5. Then this one, 7 divided by 3. 7, how many 3s are here? 2. 2 times 3, 6. 1 remainder. Right, then answer at the middle, remainder at the top, dividend here. 2 and 1/3. 25. Divide by 6. 25, how many 6 are here? 4. 4 times 6, 24. Remainder 1. Then answer, middle, remainder top, divide and 6 at the bottom. And 61 divided by 12. 61 divided by 12. How many 12s here? 5. 5 times 12. 60 remaining 1. Then answer 5 at the middle. Remainder 1 top. Divided 12 at the bottom. 11 divided by 3. 11, how many 3s are there? 3. 3 times 3, 9. 2 remainder. So you can write here answer, middle, remainder 2, top, and the divide and bottom. Now we convert mixed number to a, improper fraction to a mixed number. Mixed number කියන එක meaning එක I just explain you ne, whole numerical part and a fractional part. This is a mixed number, right? Then we wrote this as a mixed numbers. Right, I will clear this now. Reduce this in its simplest term. We have to reduce. The reduce this means now look at this thing. Over the line, below the line, both we have to divide. On the other hand, we are writing it as a equivalent fractions, right? By dividing, write it as a equivalent fraction. Now it's let's image one child is there. He doesn't know the times table. Like straightly we going to divide by 4. This is by 2. All of you know 4 times table very well? 8 times table, Salma?
Yes, teacher.
4 and 8 times table know very well. To know the 4 times table, you should have only the knowledge of 2 times table. To know the 8 times tables also, you should know only the 2 times table. I will just explain you how. Katapadam karanne to timetable leka. Then easily you can do. Like this image, I will ask from you 4 times 7. 4 times 7. Then only you know 2 times table. Right? What do you have to do? 7 double. That is how much here? 7 double 14. 14 double 28. Mentally do it. Double the 7. 7 and 7 14. 14 double 28. Then 28. 4 times 6. Double 6. Then 12. Again double. That is 24. I am doing like that mentally. Mama ganang adani my mentally double karana deparak 2 times. About 8 times table එක නම් මම කරන්නේ 3 times double triple කරනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ 2 වලින් 3 පාරක් multiply කරනවා. That like 8 times 7. Right? What I am doing is mentally හිතනවා 7 and 7 14. 14 again 14 double 28 again 28 double 56. 4 times 7 8 times 7 56. 8 times 9 double the 9, 18, 18 again double. Remember, I know na, 18 and 18, 36. 36 double. 36 and 36, 72. Right here, 72. It is difficult. 8 time and 4 time. Recently, මෙහෙම remind කරගන්න. Hari, when you are doing 8 times table and 4 times table, just double it 2 times. You can get it. Padan karan onne. Hari? If it is 4 times table, 4 times 5 less image, 5 double 10, 10 double again, that is 20. If it is 8 times 5, 5 double 10, 10 double 20, 20 double 40, 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 9, 9 double, that is how much? 18, 18 double, that is how much? 18, 18, 36, 36 double, 72. Like that. Right? Then I am not going to do that. Ekad danne nathi kawuru hari innawa kiyanne. Make a simplify karan simple pompous divide by the smallest prime number 2. How many 2s? 2. How many 2s here? 6. Divide by smallest prime number 1. How many 2s? 1. How many 2s? 3. උඩයි යටයි එකම number එකෙන් තමයි බෙදන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? ඒ කියන්නේ if you divide this is over the line below the line by 2, then both we have to use 2 here. When you are dividing again use the same number. Then how many posts? Straightly I will divide 1. How many posts for 12? That is 3. 1/3. Reduce in its simplest term. 6 divide by 2. 3 divide by 2. 4. 3/4. Divide by 2. Then 42. 48. Then I will just start to divide by 2 first. How many 2s? 21. How many 2s? 24. Again, divisible by 3. How many 3s? 7, 8. 7 over 8. Straightly you can divide by 6. 6 times how many 6 are 42? 7. How many 6s are this one? 8. Then here 16, 20. 16, how many 4s are here? 4. 25. 4 over 5. 49, how many 7s are there? 7. How many 7s here? 2. 7 over 2. Write down this. Finish, right? This thing is, then you just count the number of fractions and you can write here. It is not clear really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you can write 1 over 8. 1 over 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 over 3. 1. 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are here. 1, 2. 2 over 4. Simplify again. 1 here, 2. Half already shaded here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over, how much altogether? 8. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 6. 1, 2. 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 7 over 8. 2. Altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 2 over 8. 1 over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 8. No need to draw, just look at here. That's how we have to write as a fraction. Half, 1, 2, 3. 3 over 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 8. This one no need පුතේ. අපි පොත හදන්න ගත්තාම just you can try. Only difficult parts that I want to show the basic things about this name. Then after that we are going to do the textbook. This one also writing equivalent fractions. We have done it. This one also just say same denominator. At that time we have to add. Here multiplication of fractions. I just show you when multiplying, no problem. Over the line, below the line, you have to multiply. 4 times 10, 40, 12 times 10, 120. 12 into 1, 12, 4 times 3, 12, 1 remaining, 4 and 1, 52 here. 6 times 5, 30, 10 times 12, 120. Even you can simplify and write how many? 1, 3, 4 threes. 1, 4. Like that you can write, simplify and you can write the answer. 1/3. Even this one also over the line, below the line, you can simplify. 3 times 1, 3. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 13 into 7. 7 times 3, 21. 2 remainder. 7 times 1, 7. 7 and 2, 9. 91. 1/6. Then this one also 11 into 2, 22 over 12 into 12, 144. 4/26. 1 times 4, 4, 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 6, 12, 7 times 5, 35. 9 times 4, 36. 12 into 10, 120. 2 times 10, 20. 14 into 10, 140. You can simplify and write here how many 1/7. This one also over the line divisible by 2, 18. Below the line divisible by 2, 60. Again divisible by 6, how many 6, 3, how many 6, 10. 3/10. Like that you can simplify and write the answers, right? This is about the multiplication of fractions. Really, no need to write down this. We have done it earlier. එකයි මම මතක් කරන්නේ before we start the lesson. Then you will ask teacher, how can we multiply? Then there are so many problems arising. So here, off is there. Fractions off is there. How can we do? Here then 1/4 of 20. Off is mean multiplication. Me 1/4 into 20. That means 20 divided by 4. This is over the line. This is below the line. 5. 5 times 1, 5. 1/2 of 12. Half into 12. How many 2s are here? 6 times 1, 6. 3/4 of 12. Below the line 4, over the line 12. How many here? 3. 3 times 3, 9. Half of 60. 60, how many 2s are here? 30. 30 into 1, 30. Salma understood this one?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. I will clear this one. I just want to show you what is the meaning of and at that time how we are doing the simplification. Next one. One-fifth of 100. So we'll see how to do this 1/5 of 100. You can write 1/5 into 100. Below the line 5, over the line here how much? 100. That is 20. Answer is 20. Here 1/6 of 30. 1/6 of is mean multiplication. 30. 1/6. Then 30 divided by 6. That is 5. 5 times 1, 5. 4/5 of 15. 4/5 into 15. 15 divided by 5. How much? 3. 3 times 4, 12. 5/9 of 45. 45 divided by 9, 5. 5 times 5, 25. Right. When off is there, you have to do the simplification like this. Next one. Multiply these fraction by whole numbers. Then whole numbers are there. This is like the way that we have done of simplification. Same thing. 4 over 5 into 10. 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 times 4, 8. 1 over 5 into 20. 20 divided by 5, that is 4 times 1, 4. Then how many 2's here? 1 over 8. How many 2's? 4. How many 2's here? 500. How many 2's? 2. How many 2's? 250. 2 here. 1, 2, 5. 125. 7 over 100 into 100. 7. Okay, write down this. This one also same procedure you had to follow. What do you have to do? 72 divided by 12. 5 over 12 into 72. You know the times table name. How many 12s are there for 72? 6. 6 times 5, 30. Right, 13. 65 divided by 13. 5. 5 times 4, 20. And this one, how many 5s are here? 3. How many 5s are here? 2. Then below the line 3, over the line 6. Over the line simplify by 3. How many 3's here? 2. 2 times 2, 4 is the answer. Here then 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 times 15, 60. Write down this. And this sum we'll see. This is, we have done it, right? Okay. I know then now you know multiplication and of simplification. These all are there. Then you know how to simplify, right? We'll go to the other one. Division, I think. Off again. Multiply mixed numbers by a whole number. Then we'll see then this is a mixed number now, right? I think we need this thing. So write down this one, multiplying these mixed numbers by a whole numbers. Write the topic. Multiplying these mixed numbers by a whole numbers. Right, we'll start to do this one. 5 times 2, 10 and 4. 14 over 5 into 50. 50 divided by 5. 50 divided by 5. 10 times 14, 140. 3 times 1, 3 and 2, 5 over 3 into 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 times 5, 20. 7 times 3, 21 and 1, 22 over 7 into 14. So, Roma, this is a mixed fraction, convert to an improper fraction. Then only do the simplification. Nathang karanna bae. Hari? Converted to improper, then only you can do this. 14, how many 7's? 2. 2 times 22, 44. 2 times 2, 4 and 1, 5 over 2. into 18. 18 divided by 2, 9 times 5, 45. Write down this, multiplying these mixed fractions. Mali? Oh, Mali? Put පුරුදු වෙන්න. අද මොනේද? ඔව් ඒක මට හිතුණා. අපි අර පොතක් හොයාගෙන සිංහල විදියට ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඉන්දිසස් කියන්නේ ඔව් සිලබස් එකයි. අර වචන ටික පාවිච්චි උනේ නැහැ නේ ඔය දාර්ශක කියන්නේ ඉන්දිසස්. ඒ වගේ අර අමාරු වචන ටික හොඳට බලාගත්තා නම් හරි. කොහොමද ඉතින්? ඔව් ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉන්නේ. හරි හරි. Could you finish it? Right. මෙන්න මේකත් ඒ විදිහමයි. 11 into 4, 44. 44 and 4, 48 over 11 into 110. This divide by 11. 10, 10 times 48, 480. 3 times 3, 9 and 1, 10 over 3 into 18. 18, how many trees are here? 6. 6 times 10, 60. 2 times 12, 24 and 1, 25 over 2 into 36. 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 into 25. 18, 25. 5 times 8, 40. 4 remainder. 5 times 1, 4, 5. 5 and 4, 9. 2 times 8, 16. 1 remainder. 2 times 1, 2 and 1, 3. 0, 9 and 6, 15, 1 remaining, 450. 4 times 7, 28, 28 and 3. 28 and 3, 31 over 4 into 16. 16 divided by 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 124. When you are doing the simplification of these sums, you have to do like this. Right, I will clear this. Multiplying a fraction by a fraction. So when we are multiplying a fraction by a fraction, what you have to do is when we concern, not like earlier, just look at over the line and below the line. If it is numbers simplificable, simplify. Then how many twos here? 1. For 4, how many twos? 2. Then 2 times 1, 2 over. And here also 2 ne? 2 ne? Simplify. Answer is 1. Right? Even here we can simplify and you can put the answer here. Now here look at over the line and below the line. See, are there numbers which are simplificable? No. 3 times 1, 3. මොකද කැපෙන්නේ නැහැනේ, කැපෙනව නැහැ. 8 times 2, 16. Here, 2 times 1, 2. First we have to do, this is an improper fraction. First you have to convert it to a, sorry, this is a mixed fraction. First you have to convert it to an improper fraction. 2 times 1, 2, 2 and 1, 3 over 2 into 3 over 4. Now check whether numbers are simplificable. No, we can't simplify. Then 3 times 3, 9. 2 times 4, 8. You can keep the answer. If you like to prefer to keep it as a mixed fraction, you can keep 9 divided by 8. How many 1? 1 times 8, 8. 1 reminder. Answer middle, reminder top, dividend here. Now look at here. What are the numbers simplificable? Here 3, here 3. 2 over 5. 2 over 5 here. Multiplying a fraction by another fraction. Right. I will clear this now. One over 6 into 1 over 2. 1 times 1, 1. 6 times 2, 12. 3 times 1, 3. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 1. No, sorry, we can simplify. 1/4 is the answer. Here then, 4. 3 times 7, 21. How many 5s here? 1. How many 5s here? 3. How many 2s? 2. How many 2s? 3. 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 3, 9. 2 over 9. Multiply mixed number by proper fraction. Mixed number 1 is, just write down this topic. Then අපි චුට්ට reach වෙන්නේ complex වලට. ඊට පස්සේ division come in. So now definitely you must write down this. Multiplying mixed numbers by proper fraction. Mixed numbers. So what we have to do? First of all, this mixed number converted to improper fraction. This is a mixed number converted to improper. 2 times 2, 4, 4 and 1, 5. 5 over 2 into 2 over 5. Now check over the line and the below the line, over the line 5, below the line 5. Then over the line 2, 1, 2, below the line 2, 1, 2. The answer is 1. Now convert this to improper fractions. 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. into 3 over 5. Check here 3, here 3. 4 over 5. 4 times 2, 8 and 1, 9 over 4 into 4 over 6. Over the line, below the line. How many trees? 3. How many trees? 2. 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is the answer. You know how many 2's for 3? 1. 1 remainder 2. Here 3 times 3, 9 and 1, 10 over 3. Into good morning. I am in the class. I am at the class now. Class. Class again. Oh. In the dinner. Chuti, you have a call here. Come here. 2. Then you can write the answer here. 2. You just call 2. Oh. Finished, right? Here this one. 2 times 7, 14 and 1, 15. So we'll simplify this one also. 14 and 1, 15 over 2 into 8 over 15. Over the line, below the line. Divide this is by 4. Answer is 4. And 2 times 5, 10 and 1, 11 over 2 into 20 over 55 and 10. 55, how many 11s are here? 5. 10 divided by 5, 2. Answer is 2 here. Here 7, 21 and 1, 22 over 7 into 21 over 55. How many 7s here? 3. How many 11s here? 2. How many 11s here? 5. 2 times 3, 6. 6 over 5. 6 divided by 5, 1. 1 over 50. 2 times 12, 24 and 1, 25 over 2 into 6. This is the answer. Can you understand? Salma, can you understand this?
Yes, teacher.
Then write down this. I will clear this one. If you want, tell me. What are you doing? Yeah, this is a word problem. Now look at, in a class of 40 students, 3/4 of them are boys. What part of the class are girls? So in a class 40 students, 3/4 of them are boys. What part of the class are girls? Part එක they are asking. So what you have to do is to find the part of girls. From 1 you have to subtract 3/4 ne part of the girls. Right? From 1 whole thing is 1 ne. From 1 subtract 3/4. Then I told you when you are subtracting like this, then look at this denominator, that is 4 ne. So if you write here 4/4, then also 1 ne. 1 we can split 4/4. It is 1, right? 4 divided by 4 is 1 because here denominator is 4 ne. So that's why I wrote here 4/4 minus 3/4. Then parts of girls come in 4 subtract 3, 1/4. Then calculate the number of boys in the class. Boys. Then we have to find the boys in the class equal number of boys in the class. Number of boys equals how much? 40 into 3/4, right? Part of boys is 3/4 now. 40 divided by 4, 10. 10 times 3, 30. Girls in the class. Of girls.
Which I can understand.
How is that Gangulel?
Yes, teacher.
එන හැමෝම මේ සම් එකේ මෙතන ඉඳන් කරන්න පටන් ගන්න. අපිට දැන් මේ වගේ සම්ස් තමයි ඉස්සරහට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. ඒක නිසා ලියා ගන්න. මෙතන ඉඳන්ම කියලා දෙන්නම්කෝ. In a class 40 students, 3/4 of them are boys. 40 students තියෙනවා. ඉන්නවා 3/4 are boys. What part of the class are girls? This is the part of boy, right? එහෙනම් boys plus girls ඔක්කොම ඇවිල්ලා 1 add වුණාම fraction of boys is this. Then part of girls. මේක ඔයපෙට තේරෙනවද? 1 minus 3/4. Right? දැන් ඔයාට මෙතන ප්‍රශ්නයක් වුණා නම් මෙහෙම 1 minus 3/4 නේ ලියන්න common denominator එක 4. මෙතන 4 කරන්න නම් මෙතන just imagine 1 this is by 4 this is by 4 නේ. අර ඒක මම කරන්නේ නැතුව ඒ මීනියන් එකෙන් කෙලින්ම අපි ලිව්වා 4/4. අපි අනිත් අයට වැඩි එතකොට quick නේ. මේ බලන්න. නේද? 4/4 minus 3/4. කංගුලල් එතන වට තේරුණාද?
Yes, teacher.
4/4 minus 3/4. එතකොට part of girls come in, no? 4 minus 3, 1. Then common denominator is 4, 1/4. So to calculate the number of boys in the class. And I think as a fraction, this is me wage part ekane total number is 40. Then boys, number of boys. Boys gana liya ganna equals total is 40. 40 වලින් කොච්චරද ඉන්නේ boys ලා? මේ 3/4 ආදයා. Salma, can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
40 divided by 4, 10. 10 times 3, 30. Then part of boys are 30. Then we can write here, calculate the number of girls. Then we can write number of girls equals, how can we do? 40. fraction එක හොයාගත්තනේ පුතේ මෙතන 1/4 නේ 1/4. even මේ 40 වලින් 30 අඩු කරපුවම 10 කියලා එනවනේ. 40 subtract 30. හරි number of girls. එහෙම හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි part එක දන්නවනේ 40 divided by 4 10. 10 times 1 10. ක්‍රම දෙකකට හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. boys ලා ගාන හොයාගත්තනේ. මුළු ගානේ 40 වලින් just subtract number of boys 30, 10 is coming. Okay, write down this. එක ලියා ගන්න. No, keep it. චුටි කියන්න තියනක. Oh, that's enough now. Hit away. Now enough. Okay. Finish, right? We are going to next one. A stock of 300 apples, 1/10 of them are spoiled. What part of the stock of are good apples? Then in the stock of apples, 1/3 of them are spoiled. 1/10. Then other good part is how much here? Question එක ලියා ගන්න. The stock of 300 apples, 1/10 of them are spoiled. Then what part of the stock of are good apples? Then we can write fraction of good apples. Good apples. You can write total is 1. එක ගත්තේ කොහොමද කියලා දන්නවනේ. 1 minus 1 over 10. Total. ඒ කියන්නේ good apple, bad apple all add up to full 1. Fractions when we add it. So we can write 1 minus 1 over 10. 1 minus 1 over 10 is mean here denominator 10. No? So if you have a doubt of this 1 over 10, just add here by 10 by 10. When we are subtracting 10 over 10 minus 1 over 10, 10 over 10 minus 1 over 10. Then you can write 9 over 10. Good apples 9 over 10. Calculate the number of spoiled apples. Narakrichivagana. Calculate the number of spoiled apples. So how can we write spoiled? Spoiled apples equals 300 into 1 over 10. 30. Spoiled apple 30. Number of good apples in the stock. And 300 subtract 30, 270. Even we can get it like this. Number of good apples. Gangulal, can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Listen the.
Yes, teacher.
Listen that day you watched the video and you understood the lesson.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Number of good apples you can write here. 300 into 9 over 10. 270. Good apples 270. Write down this sum. Yes. Write in this one, right? We have finished this thing. We are going to use the whiteboard now. I just use the blackboard. And we are going to do your school textbook review exercise. Right? Go to page number 31. Page number 31. 31 textbook. Right? First question. For each of the fractions given below, write two equivalent fractions. Page number 31, review exercise. Textbook, right? Review exercise. Review exercise. We can write here, first one, 2/3. For each of the following, write the equivalent fractions. First one, for each of the following, given below, write two equivalent fractions. Write two equivalent fractions. First one, 2/3, second one 4/5, third one 4/8, fourth one 16/24. Here for each of the following fractions, you have to write the write two equivalents now. So this one will write two equivalence fraction. First, I will over the line, below the line, I will multipy it by 2. Smallest number by 2. Then you can write here 2 times 2, 4/6. Now, and for writing the next one, I just multiply over the line. This is by 3, this is by 3. 3 times 2, 6/3 times 3, 9. 2, no? Oh, yeah, we wrote 2 then. Right. Next one, 4/5. This is by 2, this is by 2. 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10. Then I will multiply it by same number by 3 now. This is by 3, this is by 3. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 3 times 5, 15. Go will you? This one. Next one, fourth one. This is by 2, this is by 2. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 8, 16. This is by 3, this is by 3. 12/24. This one, I multiplied by 2, this is by 2. 48, 24, no, 48, 16 into 2, 32. 32, 24 into 2, 48. Then I just multiply this both by 3. 3 times 16, 48, 24, 3 times 4, 12, 1 remainder, 6 and 1, 72. Write down this. Right. I think all of you finished. Now look at the second question. Express each of the mixed number given below as an improper fraction. You have to write it as a improper. We have done it in the presentation. Second question. Express each of the mixed number given below as an improper fraction. Improper fraction. A 1/2, B 2 3/4, C 3 2/5, D 5 7/10. 2 times 1, 2 and 1, 3/2. 4 times 2, 8 and 3, 11/4. 5 times 3, 15 and 2, 17/4. 5. මෙතන 10 times 5, 50 and 7, 57 over 10. Write it like this is improper. These are mixed fractions. So we wrote it as a improper fraction. Okay, I will clear this now. Next question. Express each of the improper fraction. Third question. Express each of the improper fraction given below as a mixed number. Mixed number. Chanu, can you understand this? Chanu is there. Right. Second one. 19 over 4. 43 over 4. 5 and 7 over 14. Hurry. 14. Express each of the improper fraction given below as a mixed number. 43 over 4, 36 over 7, right? 36 over 7. So I told you how to do, right? 7 divided by 3. How many 3 is 2? 2 times 3, 6. 1 remainder. Then you can write answer middle, remainder top, and divide and 3 at the bottom. Okay, start to do this. Yes, sir, another color. 19 divided by 4. Divide by 4. 4 times 4, 16. The remainder. Answer middle. Remainder 3 bottom. Divide and 4 here. Then you can write 43. Divide by 4. How much here? 10 times 4. 43. Answer middle. Remainder 3. Divided at the bottom. 36 divided by 7. 5. 5 times 7, 35. 1 remainder. Answer middle, remainder bottom, divide and 7. Here bottom. This is top, this is bottom. Okay, write down this. Finish. Next one, find the value. Fourth one. Find the value 7/3. So how can we find the value here? Addition here. First one, 3/7 plus 2/7. Second question, 5/6 minus 2/3. Grade 8 also we have done it. 7/12 plus 3/4 minus 2/3. 1½ plus 2 1/4. 5. 3/5/6 minus 1/2/3. 6. 1½ plus 2 1/4 minus 1 2/3. Like this. Then you can write summation is the common denominator. 3 and 2, 5. Here then this is by 2, this is by 2. 5/6 minus 2 times 2, 4/6. 5 subtract 4, 1/6. We have to make this to common denominator now. Now here look at. Then now I just explain you how to, some children have a problem how to know the common denominator. Then now here different denominators now. So I just solved that problem. I know that all of you know here, but it's okay. I just show you. Look at 12, 4, 3 right here. Find the LCM. 12, 4, 3. Divide by the smallest prime number 2, 6, 2, 3. Again divide smallest prime number 2, 3, 2, 3. Again smallest prime number, here divide this by 2, 1, right? 3. 1, 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So we want to check from which number we have to multiply this one and this one. This is anyhow by 1. 12, it is 1. Then 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Now this is by 3, this is by 3. Now this one, 12 divided by 3, 4, this is by 4, this is by 4. 7 times 1, 7/12 plus 9/12 minus 8/12. 7 and 9, 16, 16 minus 8, 8/12 is the answer here. Then this is simplificable. How many pores here? 2. How many pores here? 3. You can write the answer 2/3. 2/3. Right? This one then. First of all, you can convert this to improper fraction. I just clear the first one and I will replace the pore sum here. Right. Here. 1½ that is pore sum. Here then 2 times 1, 2 and 1, 3/2 plus 4 times 2, 8 and 1, 9/4. So we want to convert it to a common LCM now. So you know LCM is 4, right? Then 4 divisible by 2 as well as 4. So this is by 2, this is by 2. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2, 4, plus 9 over 4. 6 and 9, 15 over 4. Look at this is a improper fraction. Denominator is greater than the, numerator is greater than the denominator. So I think it is better you can keep it as a mixed fraction. 15 divided by 4. How many 4s for 15? 3 times 4, 12, 3 remainder. So you can write the answer here, 3 and 3/4. Right, I will just do the replace the fifth one here. Three and 5 over 6 minus 1 and 2/3. Right. 6 times 3 plus converted to improper fraction. 6 times 3, 18. 18 and 5, 23 over 6 minus 3 times 1, 3 and 2, 5 over 3. Now you have to find a common denominator. So what you have to do is, this is by 2, this is by 2. 23 over 6 minus 10 over 6. Now common denominator here, right? Right, then you can subtract. 23 subtract 10, 13 over 6. But look at this is an improper fraction. Improper denominator is greater than the numerator. Then divide it by 6. How many 6s? 2. 2 times 6, 12, 1. Then you can write 2 and 1 over 6. Write the answer here. Right. Next question. You ask from Mama. Huh? Hari, just go. I am busy. Go. Sixth one. 1.5 plus 2 and 1/4 minus 1 and 2/3. 2 times 1, 2 and 1, 3 over 2 plus 4 times 2, 8 and 1, 9 over 4 minus 3 times 1, 3 and 2, 5 over 3. Now find the LCM. 2, 4, 3. First divide by 2, 1, 2, 3. Again divide by 2, 1, 1, 3. Again divide by 3, 1, 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4 times 3. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Then this is by 6. I just use another color and show you. This is by 6. This is by 6. Now 12 divided by 4, 3. Then this is by 3. And this is also by 3. 12 divided by 3, 4. This is by 4. This is by 4. 6 times 3, 18 over 12 plus 27 over 12 minus 20 over 12. Then 18 and 27, how much here? 7 and 8, 25. 2 remainder, that 3 and 2, 5. 55 over 12 minus 20 over 12, 5, 35 over 12. We put the 35, how many 12s are there? 2. And 11 over 12 is the answer here. Okay, write down this. Fifth one, simplify. I think all of you finish this one, right? I am imagine finish and then I am going to do the next one. Next one, simplify, multiplication. Simplify half into 4/7. Second one, 2/3 into 5/8 into 3/10. Third one, 1 3/5 into 2½. So how can we do over the line? Here 1 over the line 2. 2/7. Now look at here 3, 3. How many pies 1? How many pies 2? Here how many 2's 1? How many 2's 4? 1/8. Here 5 times 1, 5, 5 and 3, 8/5 into 2 times 2, 4 and 1, 5/2. Look at over the line 5, below the line 5, 8 divided by 2, 4. Answer is 4 here. Okay, write down this. Right, Pute, I will clear this now. We did only 3 sums there. Yes, neither. No, fourth one. 3 and
Teacher, can you show me the simplify thing again? I didn't write all.
Huh?
I didn't write all of them.
You didn't write. Then I will undo it. This thing, you didn't write.
No, teacher.
Write down. Then I will just erase the first one and then I will do the sum here. I will erase first one and I will do the next sum here. That is number 4. Putte, now school is starting tomorrow. They are allowing us to do the class from February 25th. February, not January. But I am not going to start January. February onwards, I am just going to start the class there. Okay. Three and 3/10 into 2 and 1/3 into 4 and 2/7. 10 times 3, 30 and 3, 33 over 10. Multiply. First of all, you have to convert this to improper. 3 times 2, 6 and 1, 7 over 3. Into 7 times 4, 28 and 2, 30 over 7. Now look at over the line, below the line. How many? 1. How many? 3. Next one. Write the reciprocal of each of the following. Question number 6. You know reciprocal, right? You can remember. Write the reciprocal of the following. Here, first one. One over 3. So when you are writing reciprocal, equal කියන්න බෑ එකට මෙහෙම දාගන්න. 3. Reciprocal of this is 7. Reciprocal of this is 8 over 3. Reciprocal of 5, 1 over 5. Reciprocal of this, 2 and 3, 3 fifth. Now how can Nepos convert to an improper? 5 times 2, 10 and 3, 13 over 5. Then write the reciprocal, 5 over 13. Sixth also did. We have remained only the seventh one. Then after that we are going to learn next topic of the fractions, simplifying expressions of fractions containing of. When I am explaining the presentation, I already explained you about how the of is there, how can we do the simplification. So straightly I am going to do the sums. I am not going to explain more about the of, because through the presentation I already explained it. Then write down the sixth sum, seventh one. Seventh. Question number 7. First one. 6 over 7 divided by 3. Second one. 8 divided by 4 over 5. Third one. 9 over 28 divided by 3 over 7. Then we can write 1, 1, 0, 0, base equal. Base still only 7. Here then 6 over 7 into, here reciprocal, right? 1/3. You can see here over the line 6, below the line 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. Then you can write the answer 2 over 7. First one. Second one. 8 divided by 4 over 5. So don't write the reciprocal of 8, right? We have to write this one. That is right hand side one. 8 into 5 over 4 reciprocal. 8 divisible by 4. How many 4s for this? 2. 2 times 5, 10. This one. 9 over 28. 3 over 7. Then write the reciprocal. 9 over 28 into 7 over 3. How many 7s? 1. How many 7s? 4. Then 9 divided by 3. 3 3s here. 3 over 4. Salma, ඔයාගේ නම මේ sums ටික මම check කරා. Salma, are you in the class?
Yes, teacher.
හොඳයි හදලා තියෙනවා. මම ඒක දාන්නම් අර මේ වෙනම මම save කරලා තියෙන්නේ. මොකද load එක වැඩි වෙලා මගේ phone එකේ ඒකින්ද. මම ඒක අද දාන්නම් ඈ.
Okay, teacher.
5 times 5, 25 and 1, 26 over 5. Then divide by 6 over 7. Now write the reciprocal. 25 over 5 into 7 over 6. Are there any numbers simplificable? No, neither. 25, 25 and 26. No. Then you can write here 5 times 7 times 5, 35. 3 remainder. 7 times 2, 14. 14 and this 3, 17. 175 divided by 5 times 6, 30. Divide this is by 30. How many 30s are there? 5. Remaining 25 over 30. This is the answer here. After fourth one we did. Fifth one. 1.5 divide by 2 and 1/4. 2 times 1, 2 and 1, 3 over 2 divide by 4 times 2, 8 and 1, 9 over 4. Then how many 2's are here? Then we can write 3 over 2 reciprocal, 4 over 9. Over the line for how many 2's? Here 1, here 3. 2/3. Simplify expressions of fractions containing of. Right? All of you finished writing this? Gangulal finish?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Now write the subtopic. Page number 32, right? We are now doing. Page number 32. Simplifying expressions. Expressions of fractions containing of. Right. Write down this, underline this topic. Half of 100 per sum. Into 100. Over the line 100 තියෙන්නේ. Divide by 2, 50. 50 is the answer. Second one. $20 into 1/5. Next one, third one. Examples, right? Half of 1/3. මේ off වෙනුවට multiplication දාන්න. Half into 1/3. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 3, 6. Only this. We have done in the presentation. So write down this. Okay, I will clear this. Find the value of half of 2/3. Next one, 2/3 of 1 4/5. That will do then half into 2/3 over the line, below the line කපලා දානවා. ඉතුරු වෙනවා 1/3. 2/3 into 5 times 1, 5 and 4, 9 over 5. How many trees? 1. How many trees? 3. 3 times 2, 6 over 5. How many 5 is 4? 6, 1 and 1/5. Hari පුතේ. ඔයාලට මම just I give these examples, exercise 3.1 for the homework. Exercise මම අද කියලා දීපුවා තේරුණා නා? You have to do this no. So just do this at home for the homework. Exercise 3.1. Page 35. Page 35.